Welcome to Slime Art.
Hi
Swipe
there,
the
guys.
screen
This
to
is
apply
me,
color to your
Eliana's
slime.
Best. And I am Eliana's Best. I am playing Slime Art. Yes. Since I played this game before, I like to play it one more time. Then my progress deleted. I'm so sad. Oh yeah, okay. Now what? Can I make...
Let's create our first slime.
Okay. I want to have classic. Pour in some water, activator. Ooh, very sticky. Okay. What should we add? What about pink? Okay, now let's add some charms. Well, let's go with glitter. Because I want to have some pinky. So crazy. Okay. Oh. No, I don't want. Okay.
Tap here to apply additional colors.
Okay. Pink. Okay, lovely pink. Yeah, because it's a... Tap here to apply additional colors. I think I want violet, because... Oh my gosh, there's also ads. So, let's go. Mixy. Oh, thanks. Hope there's no ads. Oh, thanks. Okay. Now what about... Oh, wow, putty. I think I want Okay. Now what? Come on, next ad, please. Come on. Hey, why do they have to take me here? I am not supposed to go because this is a play store. After not available. Very fun. Okay. Oh. And whee! Okay. It's taking too long.
So this little kid was sitting next to me on the plane playing this game for the entire 3 hours. He cleared so many levels. He even chose from a variety.
Okay. Now we have slushy. We are going to water activators. Wow. Ooh, right. So this is okay. Violet. Because I don't want it to become like base. Now what? Okay. Alarm clocks. No. Can't do this. Glitter. I think I want it with just white because these look like stars. Right? Get it? No? Hey! Take me to Play Store again. Okay, so spacey goo. Very. No, I don't want to send GIF. No. Thanks. Okay, now let's go to the gallery. Yucky. What? Ew. I hate these. I will just send it to my haters only. Okay, but I'm gonna test it one by one. Ew, so jiggly. Like, yeah. Ew. I hate this. But if haters, I would gift it to haters if I want. I want to give it gift this to Victor's if I want. Wait, is this pork? No. Oh no. They will also get unskippable ads. Okay, let's go with. Hey, why not? Is this the same? Yeah, it's just the same. It's the same, right? This is so stupid. Now let's go green. And what can it be mixed to? Yeah. Ooh. Now we'll turn it into yellow. Cool. I love this. I love Mappe. Cool. And science. Oh, bubbles! Wow. It should be the best for me. Even though it's too fun. I love this. Okay, what about red? Red. Whoa! Wait. Did it just beep having an ND RRNC word? Or no? Okay, now it's turning green! Oh, I don't want to get that much coins. Oh, come on, ads. Okay, I want to give this yucky category to Victor's. Except for this, it's for me. I love this. I will give this to all of my subscribers and lovers. Or fans, okay? Okay, what about this? Ew. Yes, slime. But wait, what about if we can give it with blue? Because it can turn purple, because I love Mappe. Yeah, and science too. Okay, now let's go. Ooh, just turn into pink and purple. Now, this looks like art. Android Live wallpaper. What's this? Wow, so cool. I want to buy that. The sun and moon. Cool. I think I want it to be as a landscape. Wow. So cool. I love this. Okay. Then what if we mix it to yellow? We can make orange, right? Because I love Mappe. And science too. These are my two favorite subjects. Okay, ooh. I always wanted the slime come out in my cell phone, but the ads just scammed me. Because this is not true. Now, okay, I'm chill.
Sobrang mura ng 5G Xiaomi Redmi 13C ngayon. Tingnan niyo ito. Side fingerprint.
Hammer? What? Okay, this is so dumb. You cannot build a phone using a hammer. This is so dumb. Okay, ooh, ew. What's this? Wait, what about if I can mix it with turquoise? What? This is oh wow, it's according to the upper. Okay, that's enough. Okay, enough. Oh, wait, no, soda. I know this. Okay, I want to give these magical to my lovers and the ASMR to my lovers. Okay, I'm not going to stop talking if we go to ASMR. Let's go to it magic. What? Cool. About this. Whoa. Wow. But what happens if we mix it? Oh, we just created a portal. And yeah, the texture is going everywhere. Right? Oh. Then, whoa. Explodes everywhere. Okay. Now, let's go to ASMR and then I would stop talking for now. So satisfying, right? Okay, now let's go to Spacey Goo. Very funny name. Okay, no. think snow. Let's add snow. Add start. Look at some glitter. Get snow. Yay, stir. Okay. So, yellowy snow. Because I always saw yellow snow at snow videos, right? I always saw yellow snow. Yellow snowflakes because we can match with the color. Yeah. Okay. No, I don't want it. No, I don't want yellowy snow. Where? Oh, I can hear some clicking in my text. Maybe that's normal. Cool, I love this. Yellowy snow. Wow! Wow, my gosh! This is so cool. I still love this. Oh, let's go create slime with this. What does it do? Okay, now let's go do it. Yeah, I hope this is not an app. Wow, this is so cool. Like galactic galactici. Don't know. Okay, I don't know what to name it. So let's just use my own Egypt blue. Because why not we gonna do this? Oh my gosh, I love this. Okay. No, with just moons. No. Yay, and close. Too many ads? No. Okay, so this would be named Galactici. Yeah, I think I want to name that. I want to name this. This is a bait. What about if we can later? Now let's go to classic. Now pour in some water. But also thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye. Okay.